Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a craft haul video. So I purchased some Halloween paper from Frank Garcia's studio, and I had to share it with you. I saw that this was coming soon on his website, and once it was actually in stock, I went ahead and ordered it. I love making Halloween cards, and this collection is super cute. So let's start out with a little bit of the ephemera. It's quite a bit of pieces of ephemera in here, and this is called the Charm Collection by Graphic 45, and I purchased this at Frank Garcia's studio. And see, this is what you get inside here. These are all the little ephemera assortments that you get. I'll pick out a few of them for you to look at. This is some really pretty Halloween paper, or collection rather. So, you know, you get all these little bits and pieces that fall out. You have to keep track of them. No tricks, all treats. I like that. And got stars and just all kind of goodness. Spooktacular. And the little girl and the kitty. Just some of it kind of looks very like old school. And I love this blue. Look at that. And then it says Charmed. And so yeah, these are all the little bits. Look at that little cat on the clock. And then I think this piece right here is my favorite. I love how it's cut out at the bottom. You could take this off, this frame off, but I love that piece. So that's the ephemera. So up next is the journaling cards. So I didn't get much of it because I have a lot of Halloween stuff. And so these are the journaling cards. So you get 4x6 and then 3x4. And I think you get 16 of each. Oh, this was torn when I got it, so I'll just use that side view. But look at this. Isn't that cute? And then that's the flip side. Look there. And that's the flip side. Look at her with her little tutu on. And then that's the flip side. It says, "Hey, pumpkin." With the pumpkin and the black cat. And then that's the flip side. It says, "Sit for a spell." And it has the spider web over the cat. And then that's the flip side. It says "Fright Night." And then that's the flip side. And then it says "Frankly Frightful." And flips. I just love this pumpkin or jack-o'-lantern. And it says "If the broom fits." And then that's the flip side with the witch. I love that. And then the larger ones, 4x6s, really pretty. And then that's the flip side. Totally love this one. Totally. Love this one too. It's the flip side. I'm not sure about this one. I'm not into the devil look. But I do love the flip side. And there we have a larger Hey Pumpkin. And then that's the flip side. It says "No tricks, all treats." And then look at the flip side. So good that you get two of them, two each, because you know the flip side is nice too. It says "Charmed." Look at that. That is so cute. And then this one. And then that's the flip side. And then the little girl, "No tricks, no treats. No tricks, all treats." And then that's the flip side. So really nice journaling cards. And I'll be using these on my cards for the front of my cards that I make. I can't wait to use this collection. I'm tempted to purchase more, but I have to be mindful. I have a lot of paper, so. And then I bought the paper pad, the small paper pad. It's the, I'm trying to see how many sheets are in here. I don't see it, but I'm gonna share it with you. I don't know about you guys, but I have really been noticing that this Prima paper has graphic paper has a really strong smell. I normally have to sit it out. I just open it up, put it on my back porch so it can air out because I can't really tolerate it well. And so here's the first page. Really cute. You get 2 of each one. And then this one is super busy, but I like the images. It's everybody in costume, having a good time. And then there's the flip side. And then this one, I love this one. This is Charmed. Oh, bats. Fright Night. Sit for a spell. Really nice. And then that's the flip side. It has all those black cats. So pretty. Super cute. And then another one. Oh, you get 3 of each one. And then this one. This is so cute. You got the black crow, the witch, the jack-o'-lantern, the black cat, the house. It's called So Spooky. I didn't say the names of the other sheets, but I don't want to make this too long and go back. So 3 pieces, and then that's the flip side. And I think that's just like ivy and some really pretty purple flowers. And then you have this one. It's Frankly Frightful. It's really cute. Squares, you know, kind of to the side, so it's like a diamond. Really nice. And then this really pretty orange, which is moon. Can you see that? Really pretty. Yep, I like this, and really like this one. It's all the different sayings. If the broom fits, hey pumpkin, spooktacular, no tricks, all treats. And then look at the little scary cats, and the moon, and the black cat, and the witch. A couple of different witches. Really nice. And then this side, I really like that. It's the cats and the bats and the spider webs and the moon. Really, really nice. Really like this collection, guys. And then you have this cute little pumpkin patch. It says, hey pumpkin, that's what this one's called, with the purple flowers that we saw earlier. And then you flip it over, and then they're little with the purple flowers. Look at him. Look at this one right here. He is not happy. I really, really like this paper. And then you have some cut aparts. You have the house and all the different witches and black cats. And then on the back, it's just all full of pumpkins. Some of them are happy, or jack-o'-lanterns, I guess. Some of them are not happy. And I believe that is. So this is a really cool paper collection or Halloween collection. It's by Graphic 45, and it's called Charm. So you may want to check it out. I purchased this from Frank Garcia. I think it's on scrapbook.com. I'm not sure, but I just wanted to share with you so you can get a jump on it. Looks like this is going to be a popular one. So thanks for watching. Thanks for watching my channel and subscribing. I really appreciate all my subscribers. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and think about subscribing and hit the notification bell below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. So I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.